Voter confidence kind of mother.
What up, guys? So, me, Smeagol, Delaney back there. Say hello. So, we're going by a customer today. He dry a belt burst. So we're going and check it out and change it, see what's going on with it. So stick around. Let me see if I can repair this one, right?
I don't think so, no?
Voter confidence kind of mother.
On my wrist, but I want that dime. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. How I run that shit back, bitch.
Alright, guys, so this is the victim here. As you see, Smeagol busy doing what he does best. Screw that. Yeah, that's kind of rough. So, yeah, drive in a good shape. Length all over. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so the first thing is, let's talk about the belt. We're watching the belt, right? Based on what is going on with the belt, we can understand what it has caused the belt to go bad. Alright, so right now this belt will bite up and chew up all the how. So that means this belt was slipping plenty. So if you watch all day and I bite out, forget Smeagol in the background. Right, real bite up and chew up. So that means it was slipping plenty. So now, not only we changing the belt, we have to check this pulley here. There's the tension pulley. And aha, this was the problem. So you have to change these rollers here. Right? These rollers and them. This one here mainly is restricting the drum from spinning freely. So that will cause the belt to shift and burst.
Easy, no need to go down. Bitch, I'm stylish. Black talk, big t-shirt, Billy.
Alright, cool. So we finished all the labor work. Let me see if it works. Alright, guys, so we now finished the dryer there. So, what do you think? It was hard?
No.
What do you think, Delician?
Definitely.
Definitely it was hard, right?
And definitely the place making hot.
Forgive him, he not custom, screwing with tools now. Anyhow, so yeah, guys, so the dryer was completed. Customer seems to be satisfied.
Too easy.
Too easy. Oh, Lord, so right, yeah. So anyhow, the thing about it, we didn't get the rollers first, so we had to come back and install the rollers. But nobody really have it right now. So as soon as I get it, I'll come back and deal with that. So alright, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your lady.